Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis over on Mullen, ticker MULN. Now we have just hit the low of 13 cents today. 13 cents is also that 52-week low, and I believe in that's also an all-time low. So strong sell-off, and again, like whenever we do the analysis on basically all of these small caps, it's not something I tend to like to buy supports, and the reason for that is when people see cheap companies, they think, okay, cool, they're discounted, they can easily go up. But yes, that's usually true if you're looking at the large caps, the blue chips, fair enough. But if stocks are cheap, a lot of times, especially their small caps, they're just going to continue to get cheap. And again, you see it on the large cap side of things. They get expensive and you kind of think, okay, they're going to have to pull back. But no, a lot of the times they do kind of just continue to run until obviously the overall market and interest rates start to rise like we're getting now. But what are kind of the key then support and resistance is to focus on over on Mullen. So as a support, we do have 6 cents, but again, not something I like to a support side, so not even something I'm paying attention to. The only way I'm looking to trade Mullen is if we can push up to at least 35 cents. This is our first deviation over on the 6 month. If we pushed up to here, again, probably not something I'm going to trade with outright shares, just because trading it through a credit or debit spread, I can say as long as it's below $35, say in a month's time, we get our max profit. And again, it's usually a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So that's how I trade these. I don't like buying these with outrights because, especially if you're shorting them, first you've got to get shares ready to locate. That can sometimes be very expensive. And also, unless you're hedging with a call anyway, you do have unlimited downside. So I don't like that. And same reason I don't like taking these stocks long buys, especially buying shares is, I mean, and you talk to a lot of people who have their shares, you just get left bag holding. These stocks are so volatile. I mean, you see 35 cents. You know, we were there just a few weeks ago down to 13 cents. From a dollar amount, doesn't sound like that much, but that's 63% of the investment already just gone. So that's why I don't like the outright shares. Further resistance, though, is 50 cents. So again, resistance is, you can see them all above. They're basically the same thing, but so far from where we're off, we don't really need to plot them, but it's just first time coming into these, really just looking to play against it. Again, probably doing it through the options to have kind of a set and defined risk, but could also potentially trade it with outright shares as well. Anyway, that is a breakdown over on Mullen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.